Want to save more money in 2025 without sacrificing your lifestyle? The secret isn't just earning more, it's budgeting smarter. With the right strategies, you can cut unnecessary spending, build savings faster, and take control of your finances without feeling restricted. The first budgeting hack is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every payday, treating savings like a fixed expense. Apps like Digit and Acorns can round up your purchases and invest the spare change, making it effortless to grow your savings over time. Many banks also offer automatic roundup features, where every purchase is rounded up to the nearest dollar and the difference is saved. Another powerful strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to essentials, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. If saving 20% seems difficult, start with 10% and gradually increase it as you cut expenses. Some people even challenge themselves with no spend months, or the 80-20 rule, where they live on 80% of their income and save the rest. One of the easiest ways to save more is tracking your spending. Most people underestimate how much they spend on small daily expenses. Using apps like Mint, YNAB, or Rocket Money helps you see where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. Reviewing your bank statements every month can also reveal subscriptions you forgot about, hidden fees, and impulse purchases that add up over time. Using cash or prepaid cards for non-essential spending is another effective hack. Studies show that people spend less when they use physical cash instead of credit or debit cards. The envelope system, where you divide your cash into categories like groceries, entertainment, and dining, can help you stay within your budget. If you prefer digital tools, apps like Good Budget and Cube Money help you apply this system using virtual envelopes. Another trick is negotiating your bills. Many companies will lower your internet, phone, and insurance rates if you simply ask. Services like BillShark, Trim, and Rocket Money can negotiate for you and find hidden savings. You can also save money by switching providers. For auto insurance, cell service, and cable, many companies offer discounts to new customers, so shopping around every 6 months can lower your bills significantly. For groceries, meal planning and bulk shopping can cut food expenses by 20% or more. Using cashback apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, and Rakuten helps you earn money back on everyday purchases. Consider buying generic brands, shopping at discount stores, and using meal prep strategies to reduce food waste. If you use credit cards, switch to high cashback or rewards cards to earn money on purchases you already make. Some of the best cards offer 5% cashback on groceries, gas, and dining, which can add up over time. Just be sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. A simple but effective hack is the 24-hour rule. Before making an impulse purchase, wait a full day. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't need it. Some people take it further with the 30-day rule, especially for larger purchases. Creating an impulse spending list, where you write down things you want but wait a month before buying, helps reduce unnecessary purchases. Another smart move is earning more without working harder. Side hustles and passive income streams can increase your savings without changing your lifestyle. Selling unused items, freelancing, or renting out assets you already own can add extra cash to your budget. Apps like Poshmark, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace make it easy to sell clothes, electronics, and furniture. The key to saving more in 2025 is budgeting with intention. By using automation, smart spending habits, and tracking tools, you can save money effortlessly while still enjoying life. Small changes add up over time, and the sooner you start, the more financial freedom you'll have.